Alright, so we get lots of questions regularly about monitoring packages, or maybe some people coming to us with a van that has minimal monitoring in it, maybe just a voltage gauge or a solar regulator that has some information on it. What we find is that when it comes to working out where you're at with your battery levels, the more information the better, and that can be simplified down to how much time have you got left till your battery's flat, how long till it's charged, how much charging is coming in from the various sources. So for example, when I set the Simarine system up, I always ensure that we have the information coming down from the solar panels. So in this particular build, we've got 2 solar regulators. So I've got 2 channels dedicated to the solar. So one left-hand side, one right-hand side. We also can monitor our portable panels. So if we've got some portable blankets or portable panels plugged in, we can see how much is coming in through those. We can see how much our DC loads are. We can see how much our AC loads are through the inverter. So this gives the owner of the van a little bit of information to see how much energy they're consuming at the time, how long it's going to be till they run out of power. So at the moment, we're running the air conditioner on 22 degrees, off-grid, so just from the batteries. At the moment, we've got our right-hand side solar string putting in 23 amps, left-hand side solar string putting in 19-20 amps. We can see on the left-hand side of the screen here, we've got 1 day and 3 minutes at this particular load until the battery's flat. So that sort of gives you an indication as to the level of detail that you can get out of these systems. So some of the more simplified systems just have a pure battery monitor. All it's going to tell you is how much time you've got till your battery runs out or till it's charged, and that's fine in some applications. In these builds, this is quite a substantial build, so we think that having more information in a dedicated screen is a much nicer solution. We use it in our builds. We've got it in the Land Cruiser and we've got it in our Caravan as well. It can be set up to do various other things, so we can monitor tanks, we monitor temperature, we can monitor levels, so inclinometer. So when we're setting up, we can jump on the app and see whether we're level. Yeah, so there's a few options you can add to these things, but generally with these larger builds, we always ensure that we can monitor our solar and our portables and our loads as a minimum. Cheers guys.